Whenever anybody, whether it is a family, a state or a country, it goes through instability or it has a big change, fear develops in people. And Andhra went through a big change 2 years ago. It was the commitment of Manmohan Singh ji, Congress President, and the entire Congress party that we would support the people of Andhra in this change, in this transition. And the anchors of that support were the special status to Andhra Pradesh and the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act. The idea was that Andhra Pradesh was going through a transition, it was going through a new experience, and the government of India should support Andhra Pradesh, the people of Andhra Pradesh, and help them in whatever way possible. Unfortunately, the government of the day is not interested in supporting Andhra Pradesh. I have come to Andhra Pradesh on a number of occasions to fight for the special status, to fight for the AP reorganization. I have mentioned Polavaram as well, but the government is not interested. And I am very proud that the Congress party, not the other parties, not the Telugu Desam, not Jagan Reddy ji's party, but the Congress party is leading the fight for Andhra Pradesh. I have seen with my own eyes the dedication that you have, the dedication that every single senior leader has, and the dedication that our candidates and our district presidents, block presidents, and our common workers have. I walked with you, I did a Padyatra with you, and I saw with my own eyes how hard you are working. I also do not underestimate what it means to be in the Congress party in Andhra today. It is a very, very difficult task that you have in front of you. I recognize that, and I'm very, very proud to say, that you are fighting as true soldiers of the Congress party. You're giving your blood and your sweat, and we recognize that from the bottom of our heart. The Prime Minister came and he likes to do events. As everybody knows, wherever he goes, he has a special event. Sometimes he does not realize that these special events might insult people. So it is quite absurd that when the people of Andhra Pradesh are looking for assistance, when the people of Andhra Pradesh are looking for help in making this transition, the Andhra Pradesh reorganization, help with the Polavaram project, special status, the Prime Minister comes, he brings, of all things, he brings mud to Andhra Pradesh, and he brings water to Andhra Pradesh. It shows you the mentality of the Prime Minister. In Andhra, people are struggling, people are suffering, people are asking the question, what support is the government giving us? And the Prime Minister comes to Andhra Pradesh, and the support he gives is a little bit of mud and a little bit of water. So I am very, very happy that you have repaid him, many times over. You have given him a lot more mud than he gave Andhra Pradesh. Now what you need to do, and we all need to do, is we need to put pressure on the Prime Minister, because he understands pressure. He does not understand any other language, but he understands pressure. And the Congress party has been able to put pressure on the land bill. You might have noticed this time, the budget, it became a pro-farmer budget. For 2 years, there was no question of farmers. There was no interest in farmers. Farmers are dying, does not matter. Farmers are committing suicide in Andhra Pradesh, does not matter. But Congress party put a little bit of pressure, and suddenly farmer budget has arrived. So I am confident that with your strength and the strength of the Congress party in Delhi, that we can put pressure on Narendra Modi ji, on the government of India, and we can deliver the special status and the other demands that are rightfully yours. I'm also very proud that you have collected 1 crore signatures. This is not a small job because it requires you to go to everybody's house and ask them for the signature. And I'm going to use Andhra Pradesh as an example, the Congress worker in Andhra Pradesh as an example, when I go and speak to other states, and I'm going to tell them you need to work like the people of, like the Congress party in Andhra Pradesh. The Congress party and the Congress is a very powerful idea. You represent that idea in Andhra Pradesh. Today, you might not have large number of votes in Andhra Pradesh. But as long as you keep representing that idea, you will find, as if by magic, the Congress party will start to grow. This happened in a state like Punjab, where the entire state was against the Congress party in the 80s. Beyant Singh ji and thousands of Congress workers held on to the idea of the Congress. They believed in the idea of the Congress and they worked for the idea of the Congress. What is the idea of the Congress? The idea of the Congress is respect for everybody, listening to everybody, fairness. And they did that in Punjab, and very quickly they came back to power. In fact, when I speak to some workers in Punjab who were there then, I asked them this question. I said, did you ever imagine that you could come back to power in Punjab? And they said, you know, Rahulji, during the 80s, in our wildest imagination, we could not have come back to Punjab. But in 90, we came back to power in Punjab. So it is going to take a little bit of hard work. We are going to help you. You are going to work in Andhra, and you will see that you will surprise yourself and you will come to power much quicker than you think, and you will lead Andhra Pradesh again. Thank you very much for your hard work, for your commitment, not only to the Congress party, but to the people of Andhra Pradesh. All the best. Jai Hind.